In this video, we show how to replace the intrusion switch in a PowerEdge R570. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. To remove the intrusion switch, with the cover removed, remove the 2 screws that are securing the intrusion switch to the chassis. Next, disconnect the intrusion switch cable from the intrusion switch dongle, and then disconnect the intrusion switch dongle from the system board, and then remove the parts from the system. To install the intrusion switch, align it with the system and then replace the 2 screws that secure it in place. Then reconnect the dongle to the cable and reroute the intrusion switch cable and dongle and connect it to the HPM. If anything fell out of the routing, replace it. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R570, visit dell.com/support.